Hello everyone, welcome to Kendriya Vidyalaya. Today we are going to study class 4 mathematics. Chapter is tick tick tick. In this chapter we are going to study is time. Although we have already studied time topic in class 3rd, but in class 3rd we have studied some basic features of time. So what are that basic features that we have already studied in class 3rd? That is basically we need to identify like how many hands are there and what is the basic features of each hand. So if we talk about our hand, so how can we identify our hand? Our hand, it is the shortest hand in a watch, which denotes R. And if we talk about minute hand which is longest hand in a watch, and it denotes what? It denotes minute. And if we talk about second hand, so second hand basically it runs fast. So in this way we can identify all these hands. So that means there are three hands in a watch. First is hour hand, second is minute hand, and third is second hand. So if we talk about hour hand which denotes hours, it is the shortest hand. And if we talk about minute hand is the longest hand. In this way we can easily identify all these hands. So let us move ahead. So there are, how many hands are there? There are three hands. So if I ask you which one is hour hand, which one is minute hand, and which one is second hand, so I think you can easily tell me. Like if you talk about what is the name of this hand, first of all identify that is this hand is shortest or longest. So you can easily identify this is the shortest hand, and we all know that if it is the shortest hand, that means it is the R hand. And if we talk about this hand is the longest. So we can say this is for minute. That means the name of this hand is minute hand, and this hand is different from these two. So basically if we talk about second hand most of the time it is different from two. So basically how can we identify it easily? How we can identify it? Because it runs fast. So in this way we can identify all these hands. Now let us talk about time. What is time? So if we talk about time in a day, how many hours are there? There are 24 hours. And if we talk about 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. And if we talk about 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So all these things we have studied in class 3rd. But if we talk about 24 hours, like what are the 24 hours, how can we say there are 24 hours? I'll tell you all these things. But if we talk about time, so if we want to measure time, we need how many components? There are three components of a watch, like second, minute, and hour. So thus we can say that time is measured in second, minute, and hours. So that means there are three main components of a watch. So generally if we talk about a watch, so generally you will find there are only 12 hours marked. So as you can see, there are, how many hours marked are there? There are 12 hours marked. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So in this way you will say like there are only 12 hours marked. But now if I ask a question to you, like at what time you wake up, then you will say 7 o'clock. Then 7 o'clock, if you will say 7 o'clock, then it will create confusion. Like what type of confusion? Like it it does not describe you wake up in the morning or in the evening. Although generally we all people wake up in the morning, but if we talk about at what time you take bath, and you will say 11 o'clock or you will say 8 o'clock, then it does not describes that like you are talking about evening or you are talking about morning. So if we want to explain like we are talking about evening or we are talking about morning, so we need to put am or pm. What is am or pm concept? AM or PM concept is if we are talking about before noon timing. If we are talking about before noon timing, that means if we are talking about morning time, then we need to put AM. And if we are talking about afternoon timing, that means we are talking about evening time, that we need to put PM. So basically, if you say like I go for walk 7 o'clock 7 p.m., so it means you go for walk at in the morning or in the or in evening. So you that it easily says that you go for walk. PM means evening. And if you say like you study, uh, you do your homework for at what time, you'll say I do my homework 9 o'clock. And if you put here AM, then it means you do your work in the morning. But same students who do his or her work at 9 p.m. PM means raat, PM means night. So basically in this way we can identify we are talking about evening time or morning time. So if we are talking about time, if we are talking about any action which you do in the morning, then you should put AM. And if you are talking about your any action which you do in evening, then you need to put PM. So basically in this way we can differentiate two types of timing. First one is for evening, for morning time, and second one is for evening time. So in this way we can differentiate. So if we talk about time, generally what do we do? Generally we use 12 hours base time. 12 hours base time, what will you say? That means there are 12 hours marked. 12 hours marked, like you can count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. That means how many hours marked are there? You will say there are 12 hours only. So in our day-to-day life we use only 12 hours mark. But if we talk about railway timing, then you will find that there will be 12 hours 24 hours based timing in railway timing, or in like we can say airport timing. So in this way you will find there 24 hours timing. So let me show you an example of that. So this is the timetable of a railway. So you will see that like 22 hours 5 minutes, 22 hours 45 minutes, 16 hours 50 minutes, and even there is 6 hours 40 minutes. Then what is the difference between 6 hours 40 minutes or 22 hours 5 minutes, 22 hour 45 minutes? So what are the difference between these things? So I'll tell you all these things in this video. So let us move ahead. Let us understand what is 24 hours timing. So as we all know that our day start from midnight. So if we talk about our timing, when our time if we talk about our timing, that means our timing starts from midnight 12 o'clock. So that means, let me show you an example how it is possible. Like suppose you there is three it is 3 today, and next day is 4, and your best friend birthday is 4. Then what will you say? You will prepare up to 11 o'clock, late night in 11 o'clock. That means you will be prepared for uh, next day. So that means after 12 there will be new date, that will be 4. That means we can say our timing will start from midnight 12 o'clock. That means you can easily say like if you will count here from 1 2 3 up to 12, there will be 12 hours. So there is also, if you will see, like there is a two type of color. First one is dark brown and the second one is light brown. Dark brown denotes what? AM timing. AM time means morning timing. And light brown denotes PM timing, that is evening timing. That means if you say, if you will notice that how many hours which are marked dark, you will say there are 12 hours. Like you can count it 1 2 3 4. So how many hours are there? There are 12 hours which are marked dark brown. So in this way you will find the same thing which are marked light blue, so light brown. So there are 12 hours for dark blue and 12 hours for light brown. So 12 plus 12, how many hours are there? There are 24 hours. So in this way we can say, like, let me show you an example. So if AM, I have already told you that AM and PM concept is for what? We can if we want to differentiate, like we are talking about evening or we are talking about morning time. So that's why we put AM or PM. But after if you go for school and after 11:30, if you are suppose your recess start from 11 o'clock, then your recess will over at what time? 11:30. That means up to 11:30, that it is morning. And then sometimes most of the students confuse that if a teachers comes in your class, then what will you say, like good morning teacher or good afternoon teacher? Then basically after 12 you will say afternoon, but before 12 it is morning. So after 12, that means after afternoon, the time will not end here, it will continue, it will go continue up to 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So these are the timing. बेसिकली हम क्या करते हैं, जब यहाँ पर जब दोपहर हो जाती है 12 बजे के बाद, जैसे कि 1, 2, 3, 4, तो हम इसको 1, 2, 3, 4 बोलने की बजाय हम इसको 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 ऐसे करते करते हम कहाँ तक चले जाते हैं? 23 एंड 24 तक चले जाते हैं. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन से 1 डे इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी आवर्स? 24 आवर्स. इन दिस वे. सो अब आपको ये चीज़ समझ में आ गई हो, क्योंकि हम क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, जब टाइमिंग हमारी, सपोज़ करो मैंने पहले ही बताया है, मान लीजिए हमारी टाइमिंग, हमारी जो दिन की शुरुआत होती है वो रात को 12 बजे के बाद से होती है. तो रात को 12 बजे के बाद से हमारी जो टाइमिंग है वहाँ से शुरू हो जाती है. वो किस चीज़ में काउंट होगा? वो AM में काउंट होगा, क्योंकि वो क्या होता है? बिफोर नून होता है. दैट्स वाई वी पुट AM. तो ये कब तक चलेगा? ये दोपहर तक चलेगा, दोपहर के 12 बजे तक. इसमें हमें AM लगाना पड़ेगा. लेकिन उसके बाद फिर जब हम कंटिन्यू करते हैं, तो उसके बाद हम कंटिन्यू करने के बजाय कंटिन्यू 1 पर अगेन आने के बजाय हम क्या करते हैं? 13, 14, 15. इन दिस वे वी विल कंटिन्यू. तो ये तब जाकर 24 आवर्स की टाइमिंग हो जाती है. अगर आप यहाँ पर देखोगे 12 आवर्स फॉर मॉर्निंग एंड 12 आवर्स फॉर इवनिंग. सो 12 plus 12, 24 hours. In this way, a day comprises how many hours? 24 hours. Like, the main thing is that how can we convert 12 hours timing into 24 hours time? So suppose the timing is 7:30 p.m. PM means it's the timing for evening. Very good. But if we want to convert into 24 hours time, that means, so how can we convert? You do not need to do anything, just write 7:30, and in this way you can add only 12, then it will become 19:30. In this way you can convert any timing into 24 hours timing. Like same thing, like there is another example. The timing is here 10:10. We don't know it is AM or PM, but if we want to convert into 24 hour time, how can we convert into? We just need to add only 12 hours. Just write down the timing which is showing in the clock and just add 12 hours only. Then 10 plus 12, 22 hours 10 minutes. So in this way we can easily convert any 12 hours timing into 24 hours timing. Then I hope you all have understood. So let me again explain all this thing. So what we have understood, let me explain all this thing in Hindi also. देखो बेटा, हमें करना क्या है, लाइक ये 12 बजे हमें सबको पता, मान लीजिए आज 3 तारीख है और कल क्या है? 4 तारीख है. ठीक है. और हम क्या करते हैं कि 3 तारीख पूरा दिन चले, जैसे कि 4 तारीख को किसका बर्थडे है, तो हम क्या करते हैं? बर्थडे कब विश करते हैं उसको? 12 बजे के रात को 12 बजे विश करते हैं. क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि ठीक 12 बजे के बाद क्या था, कौन सी तारीख शुरू हो जाती है? 4 तारीख शुरू हो जाती है. इसलिए हम 12 बजे के बाद और 12 बजे विश करते हैं. अब 12 बजे के बाद जब 4 तारीख यहाँ से शुरू हो गई, तो हमारी टाइमिंग भी तो यहीं से शुरू होगी ना. वो 1, 2, 3, 4 5 ऐसे करते 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 सुबह हो गई। फिर आप स्कूल के लिए रेडी हो जाते, फिर आपका 11 बजे 11:30 बजे लंच हो जाता है। उसके बाद फिर क्या हो जाता है, 12 बजे के बाद हमको सबको पता है कि 12 बजे के बाद क्या हो जाती है, दोपहर, आफ्टरनून। और आफ्टर आफ्टरनून क्या यहाँ पे टाइमिंग ख़त्म ही नहीं होता। आफ्टर आफ्टरनून हम क्या करते हैं, 12 बजे के बाद 1 बजने के बजाय क्या होता है हमारा, 13 14 15 16 ऐसे टाइमिंग करते करते हमारे 24 आवर्स हो जाते हैं। सो दिस इज़ द 24 आवर्स टाइमिंग। इसमें कोई कन्फ्यूज़न वाली बात नहीं है। बस आपको ये की सीखना है कि 12 आवर्स किस में होते हैं। 12 आवर्स हम क्या करते हैं, 12 आवर्स फॉर दिन में AM, 12 आवर्स फॉर AM, 12 आवर्स फॉर PM, ये सब जब हम मिला देते हैं तो क्या बन जाते हैं, 24 आवर्स बन जाते हैं। सो इन दिस वे वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड 24 आवर्स टाइमिंग. So if we want to convert 24 hours timing, 12 hours timing to 24 hours, it is very easy. I have already explained all these things. Just add how many hours, you will add 12 hours. Very good. Any timing, like let me show you another example. If 8 a.m., if I'll say 8, just please convert into 24 hours timing. If I'll say 8 a.m., दैट मीन्स सुबह के 8 बजे। अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ इसको रात के 8 बजे, इसको रात के 8 बजे के रूप में कन्वर्ट कर दो, ठीक है, तो आप कैसे कन्वर्ट करोगे रात को। अब रात के लिए तो हम PM लगाएंगे, तो हम इंस्टेड ऑफ रिप्लेसिंग AM टू PM, व्हाट वी कैन एल्स डू, वी कैन ऐड 12 आवर्स। हम इसमें 12 आवर्स भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, ऐसे करके हम इसमें 12 आवर्स ऐड कर दो, ठीक है। Let me add it. It is very difficult to write with the help of mouse, but still I am writing, so please try to understand. So we will add it in this way, we'll add it. So 8 plus 12, very good, 8 plus 12 is 20, 8 plus 12 is 20, very good. So that means अगर सुबह के 8 बजे है, अगर सुबह के 8 बजे, अगर रात को भी 8 बजेंगे तो उसको हम 24 आवर्स की टाइमिंग में क्या बोलेंगे, very good, it will be called 20 hours. Very good. So in this way we can convert any 12 hours timing into 24 hours timing. You can take any example like 4. If I say 4 hours 15 minutes, 4 hours 15 minutes, I'll say please beta convert into 24 hours timing. Then you will say, sir, what should we do about 15? Do not do anything about 15. Please do not bother about it. Just add only 12. Just add only 12 hours. Just add only. And after adding it, you will find the 24 hours timing. Like let me add it. 4 plus 12, 16. 4 plus 12, 16. Very good. तो ये हो गया 16 hours 15 minutes. Very good. So in this way you can convert any timing into 24 hours timing. Please do not bother about it. So I have given some exercise. Please do it at your home and write all the question in your maths copy. So let me explain this exercise also. Like the 24 hours clock does not have AM and PM. We all know that. If we talk about any ordinary clock, then you don't find any 24 hours time over there, which we will just find there are 12 hours marked. So to change an AM timing to a 24 hours time, you don't need to do anything unless it is 12 AM. हमें क्या देखो, इसमें क्या कह रहा है कि अगर आप AM की टाइमिंग को अगर हम किसी भी टाइमिंग को 24 आवर्स की टाइमिंग में चेंज करना चाहते हैं तो हम किसको चेंज कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि AM की टाइमिंग को वी कैन नॉट चेंज। वाई, हम क्यों चेंज नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि वो क्या है, वो तो एज यूजुअल चलेगा। वो तो 12 बजे के बाद 1 2 3 4 ऐसे चलता रहेगा। बट आफ्टर 12, दैट मीन्स PM, इफ इट इज़ PM, then we can convert PM timing into 24 hours timing, क्योंकि after 12 it becomes, instead of saying 1 it becomes 13, instead of saying 2 it becomes 14, instead of saying 3 it becomes 15. So that's why after after afternoon we can convert timing into 24 hours timing. That means समझाने का मतलब क्या है, वी कैन ओनली कन्वर्ट PM टाइमिंग इंटू 24 आवर्स टाइमिंग, क्योंकि 12 बजे के बाद ही तो टाइमिंग चेंज होती है, दोपहर के 12 बजे के बाद। 12 बजे के बाद एक को हम क्या बोलेंगे 13, दोपहर के, अगर दोपहर के 12 बजते हैं, 12 बजने के बाद 1 बजता तो हम उसको एक बोलने की वजह हम क्या बोलेंगे 13। 2 is equal to 14, ऐसे लाइक 1 PM becomes 13 in 24 hour time, 2 PM becomes 14, 3 PM becomes 15, 4 PM becomes 16. That means we can only change PM timing into 24 hours timing. Simply, do not get confused because AM timing is simple. AM timing is for morning. क्योंकि टाइम कहाँ चेंज होता है, 13 कहाँ से शुरू होते हैं, पहले हमें ये समझना चाहिए। 13 विल स्टार्ट आफ्टर आफ्टरनून, दैट मीन्स आफ्टर आफ्टरनून टाइमिंग वी नीड टू चेंज, otherwise we don't need to change. So because after afternoon 1 becomes 13, 2 becomes 14, simple. So there are some exercise for you, like let me read it out also. To change a PM timing to 24 hour timing, just add 12 to the hour. That means it is saying that if you want to change PM timing into 24 hours timing, as I have already told you that just add how many hours, 12 hours. Very good. Unless it is 12 PM, if there is hour is 12 PM, then it does not change. अगर भाई 12 बजे है तो उसको भी हमें चेंज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. So in this way you can convert all the timing. There are some exercise for you, please do it at your home. Like 12 hours, this is the 12 hours timing, and you will change into 24 hours timing, like 4 hours 25 AM. That means it is the timing AM. So if we want to convert into 24 hours, can we convert AM timing to 24? No, I have already told you that AM timing will not change. We only need to change PM timing into 24 hours. That means all this timing will be same as it is written over here. So you will write all the timing over here. But if we talk about PM timing, then we can change PM timing, because PM timing we can change. How can we change it? We will just add what we will add. We will add only 12 hours. Like say here are some example. You can see 9 AM. So I have already told you 9 AM is 9 AM in 24 hours timing also. But if we talk about 9 PM, 9 PM is 21 hours 5 minutes in 24 hours timing. So say 7 hours 27 AM is 7 hours 27 in 24 hours timing. But if we talk about 7 hours 27 PM, it will be 19 hours 27 minutes in 24 hours timing. That means we can only change PM timing into 24 hours timing. I think all of you have understood. So हमने अब तक क्या समझा कि हम AM टाइमिंग को चेंज नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि AM टाइमिंग तक तो टाइमिंग सेम रहती है। टाइमिंग कहाँ चेंज हो जाती है? दोपहर के बाद, 12 बजे के बाद दोपहर के, वो 1 की बजाय हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं 13, 2 की बजाय हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं 14, 3 की बजाय क्या बोलते हैं 15। इसीलिए हम we can only change PM timing into 24 hours timing. Understood? So there is again exercise for you. Please do it at your home. If you have any doubt related to the time, please ask me on WhatsApp group. I'll give you all the answer of you. Thank you for watching this video.